Hello students, today we are going to start with the new lesson, lesson number 4, हंसी खो गई। बच्चों आज हम नए पार्ट को शुरू करेंगे, हंसी खो गई। हंसी का माने हंसना, स्माइल। खो गई माने इट इज मिसिंग, इट हैज बीन लॉस्ट। ओके, तो ये पार्ट में इन दिस लेसन वी आर गोइंग टू रीड कि एक बच्चा अपने हंसी को कहाँ खो देता है, वो कहाँ कहाँ पर उसे ढूंढ लेता है और उसकी हंसी उसकी माँ कैसे ढूंढ लेती है, वो इस पार्ट में हम पढ़ेंगे। बच्चों इस पार्ट को पढ़ते हैं। रोहन ने अपनी प्रिय पुस्तक में एक चुटकुला पढ़ा। उसे बहुत हंसी आई। रोहन हंसते हंसते लोटपोट हो गया। वह कलाबाजियां खाने लगा। जैसे ही कूदा कि बिस्तर से नीचे आ गिरा। Now रोहन इज अ बॉय एंड प्रिय पुस्तक माने his favorite book, चुटकुला माने joke. Now what happens? This boy, he is reading his favorite book and in that book there is a joke. So he is reading that joke. उसे बहुत हंसी आई. He started to laugh. When you listen to the joke, what happens? You laugh more. You cannot control because you are very happy and it will be very interesting to listen. So you get a laugh on the face. रोहन हंसते हंसते लोटपोट हो गया. He started to roll. So when he started to laugh, he was not able to control himself and he was rolling all over. वह कलाबाजियां खाने लगा. Means he started to perform or involve the difficult movement of his body. He was not knowing what is happening, so he was not able to control his laugh. Okay. जैसे ही कूदा कि बिस्तर से नीचे आ गिरा. As he started to jump, he just fell down from his bed. रोहन रोने लगा. He started to cry. रोते रोते उसकी नजर सामने शीशे पर पड़ी. So when he fell down from the bed, he was crying and while crying, he looked into the mirror. He could see his face in the mirror. सोचने लगा अरे मेरी हंसी कहाँ गई. So he was thinking, where is my smile? Where it went? Why the smile was not there? Because the boy was crying. So the smile was not there on his face. वह तो हर समय मेरे मुंह में रहती थी. He was thinking always a smile was on my face. But now it is not there. Where it has gone? बस रोहन अपनी हंसी ढूंढने लगा. He started to search his smile all around. बिस्तर पर देखा, पलंग के नीचे देखा. He started to search on his bed, under the bed. हंसी कहीं भी न थी. He didn't find his smile anywhere. उसने अलमारी में देखा, मेज पर देखा. Where he searched in the cupboard and on his table. फिर कुछ सोचकर शीशे में देखा. He started to think and he saw his face in the mirror. पर नहीं, रोहन का मुंह तो वैसा ही उदास था. गालों पर आंसू भी थे. So after searching, he thought he must have got a smile. So he sees once again in the mirror, but his face was still very sad. He didn't find a smile. So he was very sad and as he was crying, the tears were falling on his cheeks. रोहन पुस्तक पढ़ रहा था. रोहन was reading his book. उसने सोचा कहीं उसी में तो नहीं रह गई. So he was thinking, at that time I was reading the book. Maybe my smile must be inside the book. पुस्तक पलटने लगा. He started to turn the page to find the smile. पर हंसी न दिखी. He couldn't find his smile inside the book. अच्छा तो कमरे से बाहर गई होगी. Then he thought it must have gone out of his room. वह भागा भागा बाहर गया. He was running and he ran. He reached out of his house. आंगन में भी वह कहीं न मिली. So he was searching out of his house where there is a garden or veranda. He didn't find even there. माँ पिताजी के कमरे में भी नहीं थी. He was searching in his father's mother's room, in his parents' room, but he didn't find his smile in that room. Okay. आंगन में अमरूद के पेड़ पर दो तोते कच्चे अमरूद कुतर रहे थे। तो आउट ऑफ हिज हाउस देयर इज वन ट्री एंड द ट्री इज guava. अमृत माने guava and the boy, there on the tree there is two parrot who is eating that fruit. रोहन रोज तोते से बातें करता था. एवरी डे ही यूज्ड टू टॉक विद दोज पैरट. आज उसे कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था. टुडे ही वाज नॉट हैप्पी एंड एवरी डे ही यूज्ड टू टॉक विद दोज पैरट, बट टुडे ही इज वेरी सैड. उसकी हंसी जो गायब हो गई थी. He was very sad because he didn't find a smile, so he didn't talk to those parrots. रोहन ने अपने आप से कहा, माँ कहाँ है? He was talking to himself. He was asking, where is mother? वे मेरी हंसी जरूर ढूंढेगी. So she is the one who can find my smile. So he wants to know where is she. तभी घंटी बजी. That time the doorbell rang. रोहन दरवाजा खोलने भागा. He ran to open the door. सामने माँ खड़ी थी. In front of him mother was standing. रोहन माँ से लिपट कर बोला. He hugged her and he went very close to her. He hugged her and he said, माँ मैं बिस्तर से गिर गया था. He fell down from the bed. He was telling to his mother that I fell down from the bed. मेरी हंसी न जाने कहाँ चली गई. After falling from the bed, I don't know where my smile has gone. माँ ने रोहन को गोद में उठा लिया. What did the mother do? She lifted her child and she took in her arms. उसे खूब प्यार किया. She loved him more. रोहन को बहुत अच्छा लगा. He felt so happy that even his mother loved him. He became very happy. वह मुस्कुराने लगा. He started to smile. माँ बोली, अब शीशे में देखो तुम्हारी प्यारी सी हंसी लौट आई है. So mother tells the boy to go and see his face on inside the mirror, that his smile has come back on his face. उन्होंने रोहन को गुदगुदी की. She started to tickling him. रोहन हंस पड़ा और बोला. So when she started to tickle him, he started to laugh and he said, मिल गई मेरी हंसी मिल गई माँ. He started to jump and say, I found my smile. So he was very happy. I hope children you must have understood this lesson. Please read the lesson and I will give some dictation words. So please write it down in your Hindi notebook. Thank you. कठिन शब्द. पहला पुस्तक, नंबर 2 चुटकुला, नंबर 3 हंसते, नंबर 4 कलाबाजियाँ, नंबर 5 बिस्तर, नंबर 6 शीशे, नंबर 7 अलमारी, नंबर 8 मेज, नंबर 9 आंगन, नंबर 10 अमृत, नंबर 11 दरवाज़ा, नंबर 12 मुस्कुराने, नंबर 13 गुदगुदी.